we heading today?
Alright, so we're heading onto the East Harrison Forest Service Road to try and reach this probably stunning lake at the base of Old Settler Mountain. Should be fun.
Yeah, guy is telling me that we're about 30k from the turnoff. Should be smooth sailing to the lake. Our luck. There's a gate here. But if we go back about 500 feet behind us, there looks like there's a trail heading up a mountain there.
Maybe we can see the lake from there.
Better than going home this early.
Okay, up we go.
That there's what you call some off-road pinstriping.
Comes with the territory. Got a washout coming up.
Copy that.
Watch your angle on this one, guys. You know how these Gladiators are with those hitches.
Well, better angle next time. Or just bigger tires.
Yeah, I want some 38s.
Alright, looks like we have a few switchbacks coming up ahead.
Copy that. We have snow-capped mountains up front. What of you?
Man, I don't think I'll ever get tired of seeing this.
Unreal. Snowcap trail coming up too.
Looks like we might be hitting some snow in the next couple of switchbacks.
Let's hope it's not that slushy, slippery kind.
Well, let's find out.
Looks like the slushy, slippery kind to me.
Yeah, this doesn't bode well for reaching the end of this trail.
All good. We go as far as we can.
Wow, look at that.
Alright, I think we have about one more switchback, and then the road curves back around and ends up near the top somewhere.
10-4.
End of the line, boys.
Yeah, you look stuck.
Yeah, very much so.
Hold up, I'll pull you out.
Well, honestly, I don't think the view gets much better from the top. I mean, look at this.
Insane. I think that's Old Settler Mountain, maybe.
Potential ski resort area. Wow.
I prefer snowmobiles.
Well, I think this completes our ramble for today.
Agreed. Let's head her home.
Copy that.
We'll come back out this way again soon.
We sure will.
Hey, it's Scott. Thanks for watching our Sunday drive, and we'll see you on the next one.
Greg here. Thanks for joining us. See you next time.
Thanks, guys, for watching. Hit that like button. It helps us out huge with that pesky algorithm. And subscribe so you don't miss the next ramble. Take care.